Welcome dear students to another part of our class, Standard 4, Subject Maths, Chapter 2 Long and Short, in which you have already studied this much topic. We will revise this. You had already known about long and short. Long means lamba and short means chota. In that you had learned about shorter line, in which I had said you about Akbar and Birbal story, in which Birbal is using a trick to make Akbar lines shorter. What he is doing, अकबर ने जब बोला था बीरबल को कि बिना मिटाए उसके लाइन को छोटा करना है, then what Birbal had used a trick, that is he had made another longer line and said now your line is shorter. And second was height of Jalpa, in which he was looking a list of the tallest man in the world. From one of that, a man's height is double of Jalpa's height. Third was sports meet, in which the first topic was race, in which this much candidates had taken participated. Here is the finishing line, and we had seen who is how much far than finishing line. And second was long jump, in which we had seen how much who had jumped more than who. And today's topic is jump records, in which we will see some of the world records and some of the Indian records. Before that, you had already studied that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Third standard में already पढ़ चुके हो कि 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. मतलब 100 centimeter होगा तभी वो 1 meter हो जाएगा. So here are the list of high jump and long jump of men and women. So from this table we will answer these questions, in which our first question is how many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump. चंद्रपाल जो है वो इधर है इंडियन रिकॉर्ड में. ओके, चंद्रपाल को और कितना मोर मीन्स और कितना जंप करना पड़ेगा ताकि ही विल बी इक्वल टू मेंस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड, मेन के वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड में इक्वल हो. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द मेंस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड, हाउ मच इट इज ऑफ 2 meter and 45 centimeter. 2 meter 45 centimeter. And Chandrapal had jumped 2 meter 17 centimeter. 2 meter 17 centimeter. Now we have to find that how much he wants to jump more, और उसको कितना ऊपर jump करना पड़ेगा तब he will be equal to men's world record. So what we will do for that, we will subtract Chandrapal's record from world record. Okay, we will subtract this. Five minus 7, that will be 15, and here 3. So 15 minus 7 will be 8, and 3 minus 1 will be 2, and 2 minus 2 will be 0. So he have to jump more 28 centimeter. Okay, he have to jump more 28 centimeter. So his jump would be equal to men's world record. वो अगर 28 सेंटीमीटर और थोड़ा जंप करेगा तो उसका जंप मेन के जो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है उसके इक्वल हो जाएगा. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स हायर शुड बॉबी ए जंप टू रीच 2 meters. अब जो बॉबी ए है हियर इन इंडियन रिकॉर्ड, उसको और कितना हायर जंप करना है और कितना ऊपर जंप करना है, सो ही कुड रीच 2 meters. बॉबी ए का जंप है 1 meter and 91 centimeter. उसको रीच करना है 2 meters तक, मतलब 2 meter उसका होना चाहिए. तो उसको कितना और जंप करना पड़ेगा. ऑलरेडी वी नो दैट 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be equal to 200 centimeter. Now we will convert Bobby A's jump to centimeter. Okay, this is 1 meter. 1 meter will be 100 centimeter and 91 centimeter. So we will add 100 and 91, that will become 191 centimeter. Okay, अभी हमें फाइंड करना है कि उसको कितना जंप करना है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, अगेन वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. 200 minus 191 will be 9 centimeter. Okay, 9 minus 9 0 and 1 minus 1 0. So Bobby A should jump more 9 centimeter to reach 2 meters. Now third question, Galina's long jump is nearly dash meter. Galina's long jump, where is Galina? Here is Galina. Okay, Galina's long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. Here we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So half meter will be 50 centimeter. So this is equal to 50 centimeter. So Galina's long jump is nearly 7.5 meter. So we will write here 7.5 meter. Now fourth question, what is the difference between the longest and the highest jump in women's world record? In women's world record, here are the women's world record. In that we have to find the difference between the longest and the highest jump. डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है यानी सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है कि मतलब लॉन्गेस्ट जंप में और हाईएस्ट जंप में कितना डिफरेंस है. सो वी विल फर्स्ट राइट द लॉन्गेस्ट जंप. that is about 7 meter and 52 centimeter. And the highest jump is 2 meter and 9 centimeter. Now we have to find the difference between this both. For finding difference, we will again do subtraction. We will subtract this. So 2 will become 12. We will borrow from 5. So it will become 4. 12 minus 9 will be 3 and 4 will become 4. Now meter, 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 meter and 43 centimeter is the difference between the longest and the highest jump. मतलब जो longest jump और जो highest jump है उसके बीच का difference इतना है 5 meter and 43 centimeter. Now next question is, if Mike P could jump dash centimeters longer, अगर माइक पी कितने सेंटीमीटर लॉन्गर और जंप करेगा तो हिज जंप वुड बी फुल 9 मीटर्स. उसको और कितना लॉन्ग जंप करना पड़ेगा सो दैट इट विल बी 9 मीटर्स. तो उसका लॉन्ग जंप 9 मीटर्स हो जाएगा. माइक पी का लॉन्ग जंप है 8 मीटर एंड 95 सेंटीमीटर. फर्स्ट वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस 9 मीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर. सो इट विल बिकम 900 centimeter. Why? Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 9 meter will be 900 centimeter. And Mike P's long jump is 8 meter and 95 centimeter. So we will add this 8 into 100 centimeter. 100 we are taking from here. So 8 into 100 will be 800 centimeter plus this 95 centimeter. So it will be equal to 895 centimeter. Now we have to find that Mike P could jump how much longer to reach 9 meter. 9 meter तक पहुंचने के लिए Mike P को और कितना jump करना है. So we will again subtract Mike P's jump from 9 meters. This will become 10, this 9 and this one 8. So 10 minus 5 will be 5, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So Mike P could jump more 5 centimeters longer to reach 9 meters. For today this much only. You have to practice all this so that you can know what is the exact solution of which sum. Okay, so this is the end of our session today. We shall continue with our subject on the next part of the class. Thank you.